Good morning, another beautiful day at Dangamel. This is how the day at Dangamel starts with the playful activities of the monkeys. I guess this is what is called monkey business. Just joking. The herd of deer is grazing in the adjacent jungle, sometimes looking at us. Simple breakfast offered at Dangamel: puri, aloo sabzi, upma and one boiled egg every day. Apart from Shonjoy, I have got a cute little companion with me to share my breakfast. He is all the while waiting at the window. He is given a puri. But he wants more. He is given another puri. Now he is satisfied. We are now going to the Dangamel jetty, which is at a distance of 1 kilometer from the nature camp by a battery-operated rickshaw. There are 2 such vehicles operating inside the camp at present. Per head fare is ₹20. There lies the gate of the old jetty. Our guide for the jungle trek met us at the entry point to the jetty. This is the Dangamel jetty and that is our boat. There lies the Dangamel jetty far away on the other side of the creek. We have crossed over the creek onto Bhitarkanika jetty, which is some 300 meters away from Dangamel. Construction work is going on at the jetty. This is the jungle trail. There is another group of 3 people with us for jungle trekking. Walking in the jungles of Bhitarkanika is a unique experience. Those who cannot walk much, don't worry. Visit the jungle at least once, walk a few meters on the trail and then relax in the jetty for some few minutes. The jungle trek is some 7.5 kilometers to and fro from the jetty. How very awesome! Some very old trees came into our view that withstood the ravages of time. We have come to a place where there are lots of migratory birds visiting a big water body every year in the Bhitarkanika jungle. All of a sudden, this beautiful piece of open field has appeared. The guide informed us that this place is also visited by the migratory birds and deer. It seems that Mother Nature has taken special care in designing the trees. The guide informed us that the marshes and swampy tracts of land in the jungle are a result of flood water entering the forest during heavy rains. One should never go close to the marshes without the guide, for they might contain deadly crocs and venomous snakes. It is safe to walk in the jungle following the long trail, but definitely with a guide, for the guide is accustomed to the sounds and movements in the jungle. Jungle trekking is not for everybody. It is only for those who want to observe nature very closely. We are passing through a narrow strip of land containing thorny branches of trees on both sides of the road. We have also witnessed monitor lizards in the muddy waters, a few rare species of migratory birds on the trees, but our camera could not capture them, as within a flicker of a second they have either disappeared or flown away. One needs to wait and watch patiently for some time at a particular place in order to see these reptiles and birds. Such a vast open field is a delight to the eyes. The vastness of nature reminds how minuscule a human is. Our guide informed us that these are the henthal trees which are common to the mangrove forests. The guide informed us that this is the lotus pond, though there is no lotus at present in the pond right now, and attached with it is an old hunting tower which is in a derogatory condition. The Bhitarkanika jungle exhibits the ruins of old zamindari system. We also climbed up the stairs of an old watchtower which is in the forest. The view from the tower is absolutely splendid. Bhitarkanika was the part of the land that belonged to the king of Kanika. The area was the hunting ground of the royal family. My camera tries to capture a flock of migratory birds. We have come to that portion of the jungle where there are two old temples. One temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva and the other to Sri Ram. Seeing the conditions of the temples, it appears that puja is offered here in both the temples every day. Also, if one gets tired, one can sit in the temple complex and relax. After coming back from jungle trek while waiting for our boat at the Bhitarkanika jetty, we have seen plenty of red crabs in the muddy soil of the creek.
Finally,
We have reached the Dangamal Nature Camp, so ending the video with the playful little companions as we saw them on our way.
dear viewers, concluding the video with some snippets, I hope you have liked our video. Do encourage us by liking, sharing and subscribing our channel, The Travelholics. Thank you.